Why are you laughing? She loves Honey Honey kasi. Kaya
Yes!
kino-convert niya ata ako.
Hi, I'm Aya.
Hi, I'm Mika.
And
today, we made...
A playlist together.
Pwede ba yung the future song? Last ko. Hirap. Ganun.
Okay, I'll reveal mine. So my playlist name is called Chill Pill Drive because I know you like to drive. And, well, you do drive. And I was thinking at first na yung mga upbeat na very loud songs, mga ganun. Pero, I know na parang lately din, you like mga chill songs.
Yeah.
So, ito yung mga napili ko. Number 1 is Katabi. Second is Infinity. Third is Wag Muna Tayong Umuwi. Fourth is Honey Honey. And last is 8.
Why are you laughing? Wala lang. It's funny. She loves Honey Honey kasi. Kaya
Yes!
kino-convert niya ata ako.
Feeling ko kasi very chill lang din yung Honey Honey song.
What?
Oo, parang very laid back siya compared sa rest of the songs.
Okay.
Well, yung nasa unang list ko is Katabi. Kasi Katabi is really a chill song.
Yeah.
And then, for the rest naman, yun din, na parang same vibes. Kasi ayoko naman when I'm from chill, tapos biglang high impact, high energy, so magugulat ka. So, that's why I chose the rest of the songs kasi parang feeling ko same wavelength.
I see.
Mm-hmm.
Not bad. Not bad.
Okay.
Okay. Mine is called Soul Searching. Kasi parang it has something to do with also road trip. Parang ganon. And mine is Katabi, Honey Honey, Out of My Head, Golden Arrow, and Wag Muna Tayong Umuwi. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I chose Katabi kasi parang start pa lang ng road trip, diba? And then parang you're getting excited, which is like Honey Honey for me. It's an exciting song. And then Out of My Head, Golden Arrow. It's for me top 2 hype songs that makes you feel the road trip vibes. And then Wag Muna Tayong Umuwi kasi parang yun na yung last part ng road trip. Parang
Ender.
ayoko umuwi, yung ganon.
Gets. I see. Okay. Okay.
Diba?
Yeah.
Yeah.